Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. Area of a circle today. All right, cool. So, area of a circle is pi r squared. Write that down and the model. Here we go. Ready? Boop. Here we go. Area of a circle. The area of a circle is the space inside a circle. So that's inside. So how much room you got in here? So that's what you got to know. The perimeter or the circumference is on the outside. The area is on the inside. Okay, so what are we going to do here? So let's do this practice problem right here. Let's say the radius is 5. Very simple. All we're going to do is we're going to plug in here. So area equals pi times radius. Radius goes from the center to the outside of the circle. Squared right there. So I always do 5 squared first and put that first, and pi usually goes last. So I sort of put this first and that last because 25 goes first. Now, what are we going to do? Oh, we're going to round to the nearest 10th or 100th. It don't matter. So I'm going to get my calculate 84 out like this. So I'm going to go 25 times pi. It looks like this. 25 times pi. 78.539. So 78.539, like that. So I'm rounding to the nearest 100th. So here's the 100th place. I look here, and that's a 9. So that means this goes up to 4. So the area is approximately 78.54. I guess it would be units since it doesn't say like inches or yards, squared. Square units. Square is good to memorize that. So square is square. Square units. Insides. You see all the squares that make up the inside? Yeah. That's what it means. Okay. Let's do another one. Here we go. We have 8 kilometers or kilometers, however you want to say it. That is the radius. So area is pi r squared e squared. So that's going to be pi times 8 squared. There we go. So 8 squared is 64 times pi, this is equal sign. Okay, so sometimes it asks the answer like that, and you can leave it like that, but sometimes you got to multiply by pi and round to the nearest 10th or 100th, let's see. So 64 pi right there, and I got 64 pi, which is 201.06. Yeah, 0.06, there you go. So area is approximately 201.06 kilometers squared. Kilometers squared, like that. Okay, next one. Ooh. Okay, see if you can see how I mess this up. Area equals pi r squared. Area equals pi times 15 squared. Good? Nope, I messed it up, right? How'd I mess it up? Yeah, this is the diameter. That's not the radius. 15 is not the radius. No. If the diameter is 15, I need to cut it in half. So cut 15 in half. What do you get? Yeah, 7.5. So by $15, I give you half. That's 750. 750, right? So it's not a pi 15 squared. It is pi times 7.5 squared. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Well, we got to go to our calculator. So I'm just going to type this whole thing in, right? Pi 7.5. I'm going to do times 7.5. We're going to do squared right here. Is this the squared? Boop. Right there. I got the squared. Pi 7.5 squared. There it is. 176.7. Let's go to the nearest 10th here. So area is approximately 176.7 feet squared. 176.7 feet squared. Why is it approximately? Because I rounded. This is the real answer. That's the approximate answer. It's not the actual answer. There you go. All right, your turn, your turn, your turn. Okay, one at a time. Ready? Number 4. This is 14.5 meters. Ready, set, find the area, go. All right, so you got area equals pi r squared. Area equals pi times 14.5 squared. Let's see it. Woo. pi times 14.5 squared is 660.52. So area is approximately 660.52 meters squared, or square meters. All right, next one, number 5. What is the area of this circle if this is 21 feet? Go. Ooh, that's not the radius, that's the diameter, so I need to cut it in half. 10.5, 10.5, so all the radii are 10.5, right? So area equals pi r squared, pi times 10.5 squared, yeah. So I got pi times 10.5 squared, or 10.5 times 10.5 you can do. 346.4. Area is approximately 346.4 feet squared. There you go. Nice. All right, here's one with a lot of decimals. Ready to the nearest hundredth. See if you can do it. So this is 18.25 inches. Okay. So area equals pi r squared. Keep writing that. Memorize it. Pi 18.25 squared. That's already the radius. I'm already good to go. So I'm going to go pi times 18.25. Oh, I can't find the square. What am I going to do? Times 18.25. Squared is times something by itself, right? That'll do the same thing as squaring it. Oh, so I got area is approximately 1,046.35. When there's hundredth, 0.35. Inches squared. There we go. Nice job. Keep on keeping on. Good work.